So, hi everyone, and welcome to yet another Hall of Fame interview. And I'm here with my super baker, Leela. Leela has been part of our exclusive super baker sub community, and every single time she has given more than 100% commitment in completing each and every assignment that was shared inside the community, right? So, she has been creating great cakes every single day. She has slowly graduated from making bakery style cakes to slightly advanced cakes as well. So, let's hear it from Leela. Hi, Leela, and
Hi, ma'am.
heartiest congratulations, and it is so great to have you, and I'm so happy to do this particular Hall of Fame interview with you, because you know why the moment we started seeing your cakes inside the community, me and my team, we were like, this is definitely a Hall of Fame candidate that we are seeing growing every single day. So very happy, heartiest congratulations to you once again, and over to you. Why don't you tell us something about yourself, like which city are you from, and who all are there in your family, and what was your profession? Right now you are a full-time cake artist, right? But before that, what do you used to do?
Hi, ma'am. First of all, thank you so much for this Hall of Fame, ma'am. I would like to thank you and give a big hug to you. I'm so grateful to and happy for this course, ma'am. This is helpful to build up my confidence. If I would have been in your place, I would definitely have attended offline classes with you.
Nice, nice.
Uh,
So,
yeah.
tell me, which city are you from?
I am from Machilipatnam, ma'am. This
Oh,
is Andhra Pradesh.
uh-huh.
I have to travel 1.5 hour to get the raw materials, ma'am.
Oh, oh my
It's
God.
just like the village only.
Oh, wow, wow. I mean, really hats off to you, yeah. And who all are there in your family, Leela?
I'm a housewife, ma'am,
Huh,
and I had two kids. My husband was an ex-army.
huh.
We four will live.
Okay, okay, nice. So, tell me something. Before doing this, before becoming a cake artist or before coming into the baking industry, इसके पहले आप क्या करते थे? What was your profession?
I completed my diploma and degree, ma'am.
हाँ,
Next I got married. 19 years only.
हाँ.
Next we went to. He's in army at the time. We went to Nasik, Maharashtra, all that. From childhood, I am so much of. I had dreams to do something for my parents. At the time of the COVID, I decided to open a YouTube channel by seeing a lot of people. At the time, in making all recipes also, I decided to make a cake in that. I want to make a trendy cake. I will think differently, a little bit differently. So I searched in YouTube only. I got your video, that mirror cake. Mirror cake is there, no? You
Yeah.
did, ma'am. At the time, I thought I have to be more perfect with the whipping cream.
Hmm.
I should get a good mentor like Dipti, ma'am. I thought like that, ma'am. After 1 month or 2 months, I got the ad. I saw your ad,
Hmm.
and I joined in that Super Baker program.
Okay.
Now I am here, ma'am.
Okay.
Within
Okay.
3 months, I cannot say I'm successful, fully successful, but I am happy with what I got.
Lovely, lovely. Very nice, very nice. So you joined Super Baker program because you wanted to perfect your whipped cream decoration. So let me understand one thing. You wanted to start your YouTube channel, right? But then you decided to become perfect in your cake decoration and then go ahead and do that complete that particular journey, right? Now, before this, for learning baking as such, did you join any other baking program?
In COVID, we cannot take from outside, no, ma'am.
Hmm.
I did a lot of cakes like for my mother, sister, everyone. For everyone, I did it myself only. So at that, I did not get perfection. One day, my sister gifted me that 2 days classes,
Oh.
live classes, and I went. But it's not for the professional baker, just to know, not for the business purpose.
Ah.
After joining your class, I realized that we have to get into, if we want to get in through the baking journey or a business, we want mentor like you. So we want these type of recipes, especially your premix recipes. I have to thank God that also. It's so helpful for me now.
Now tell us how, like, you had joined previous baking program as well, where you got certain recipes, right? And then for business side of it, you joined this particular program, and for definitely for perfecting your whipped cream decorations as well. So tell us how your journey has been inside the community. Like, you met other bakers, who are from different parts of India or from abroad as well, right? How was your journey inside the community?
That inspired me a lot. I have to next by taking next order. I would like to ask them, please give more creative. I will do, but please give me. That inspiration and encouragement got from this group, ma'am.
Lovely, 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 super amazing, very nice. Thank you for sharing that. Now tell me something. What are those top 3 things? Okay, top 3 things that have helped you become. Do you feel that you are a better version of yourself? Right, few months ago how you were and right now how you are. Do you feel good about yourself?
Yes, ma'am, sure. I'm more confident taking early this much of a limit span also. I can take. I got that confidence in me.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. So what kind of orders are you taking from your home bakery? Right? Why people are coming to you again and again? What is that 1 or 2 things that your customers are loving about your cake?
Yeah, it's totally your recipe, ma'am. I have to thankful to you only. It tastes very good. I like truffle the most. Like mousse also. Always my customers will wanted that chocolate mousse, chocolate truffle. Same, all those, ma'am.
Nice, nice. But what about your decorations? Your decorations are just up to the mark. You know, they are so good. They are so beautiful. Every cake is completely different from the other one, right? And nowadays you are focusing a lot on photography as well. So I'm very happy and I'm very thankful to you because you are implementing everything. It is not just one side thing, right? You are also working, and because of which, you know, we can see that beautiful home bakery blossoming every single day, right? Photography session, you will see that, and you are one such student, no? You will see it and you will implement it. That is what I love about you the most. I really want to have many more students like you. So very nice, right?
Thank you.
So tell me, so apart from the taste of the cake, of course people will be loving your cake decorations as well. That is the reason they are just giving you so many orders every single day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Lovely.
Hi, ma'am. Namaste.
Namaste. So thank you so much for, you know, supporting her. We really need a lot of men like you who are supporting their wives like this. So any thoughts that you would like to share about her?
Thanks so much, ma'am, once again. आपकी वजह से तो अभी ये इस स्टेज में है, मैम. इनिशियली वो जल्दीबाजी में कर लेती थी, केक खराब हो जाता, फिर पूरा दिन नर्वस रहती थी.
अच्छा.
आजकल क्या, अभी जैसे आपको वीडियो देखती शुक्रवार का दिन, फिर दूसरे दिन प्रैक्टिस करती, लिखती है किताबों में. मैं बोला यार पूरा दिन क्या लिखते रहते हो बच्चे की जैसा. फिर लिखती है, फिर वो बयान करती है, फिर प्रैक्टिस करती है, बच्चे को उसी केक्स को बना के देती है. मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट के टाइम में, कभी कभी स्कूल जाते समय, वो उनको लंच के टाइम में, इवनिंग स्नैक्स में अच्छी हेल्दी फूड भी देती है. एक साइड से उसको बच्चे को देखभाल भी हो जाते हैं, मैम.
नाइस नाइस नाइस.
आपकी जैसे लोगों की वजह से वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट पे आजकल बढ़ने लगी, मैम. थैंक यू सो मच once again, मैम.
Thank you so much. Really thank you so much for saying this, right? And coming back from an army person, मतलब आज तो मेरा दिन ही बन गया. Thank you so much for coming on this video and sharing this. And thank you so much, right? We really need a lot of people like you who are supporting their female counterparts. So thank you so much.
Of course, मैम. वुमेन भी अच्छा रहना चाहिए, मैम. आजकल आगे बढ़ना भी चाहिए.
Yes, yes.
मैम, अभी मैं देखते रहती हूँ आजकल आपका वीडियो देखने के बाद, ये प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद भी बहुत लोग इसको फोन करते हैं, यार आप कैसा बनाते हो, विपिंग कैसे करते हो. पहले आप एक दिन विपिंग क्रीम में थोड़ा बबल्स आता है, मैं उस दिन वीडियो देखा था. बहुत लोगों के एयर बबल्स को कैसे साफ करना है आपने बताया था. वो 15-20 मिनट के अंदर उसको सभी लोगों को काफी उसमें एक्सपीरियंस हो गया. इसको भी यही प्रॉब्लम था पहले, वो भी आजकल क्लियर हो गया. बड़े ऑर्डर्स पे आने लगा आजकल. थैंक यू सो मच मैम, once again.
I know बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा कर रही है लीला, मतलब. और केक्स ना बहुत ज्यादा सुंदर भी दिखते हैं. तो लोग क्या पहले आंखों से केक खाते हैं, फिर वो एक्चुअली टेस्ट करते हैं. तो लीला के केक वैसे होते हैं, बहुत ही ज्यादा सुंदर और बहुत ही ज्यादा प्रोफेशनल दिखते हैं. सो जैसे मैंने बोला कि बहुत अच्छी स्टूडेंट है, क्योंकि वो हर लाइव सेशन अटेंड करती है. वीडियोस तो उन्होंने देखे ही है, बट शी एंश्योर्स कि वो इम्प्लीमेंट भी करती है अपने ऑर्डर्स में या उसमें, बिकॉज ऑफ विच शी इज सक्सेसफुल. सो
आपको ग्रुप में भी बहुत लोग पोस्ट करते हैं, उसको भी देखता है. वो देखने के बाद बोला अच्छा ये ऐसे किया, वो ऐसे किया करके मेरे ऊपर सुबह बताते रहती है. थैंक यू सो मच मैम. आपकी जैसे लोग रहने से एम्पावरमेंट बढ़ती है, आगे बढ़ना भी चाहिए.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. Carry on. Thank you, bye, ma'am.
Thank you. So Leela, amazing. Thank you so much for bringing him on the video.
Thank you.
So now tell us, कि आपने मतलब व्हाट हैव यू थॉट अबाउट योर होम बेकरी बिजनेस, वेयर यू वांट टू टेक इट, मतलब आपका विजन क्या है कि नेक्स्ट 12 महीने में वेयर डू यू वांट टू सी योरसेल्फ, और मे बी नेक्स्ट 3 इयर्स में व्हाट डू यू वांट टू रियली डू व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर होम बेकरी बिजनेस?
घर से ही करना है मैंने. No, I don't have that much of guts to open the shop, ma'am. But everyone will say, by seeing my cakes, everyone will say that okay, we can see for upcoming days we can see your Lee Heaven confectionery. All the type of messages I will get from my relatives, everyone, friends, ma'am.
Wow. Right, so that thought is there. Please do not leave that thought, right? You never know, right? Maybe Lee Heavens का इतना सारा फ्रेंचाइजी भी हो जाएगा. You never know. Don't leave that thought, right? काफी सारे लोग अगर if they are vouching for you, you are really need to give a serious thought about it. Plus you have an amazing husband who is supporting you, right? So उससे ज्यादा बढ़िया और क्या ही हो सकता है यार. बिजनेस पार्टनर दोनों घर में ही है. So beautiful thing. So we can see maybe your YouTube channel coming up, or maybe we can see your cafe coming up, or maybe your big shop with the franchises coming up. You never know. Yes or no? So there are 3 things that are there in front of you, Leela. You really have to work towards achieving that particular goal, right? So abhi you let me know what your customers are talking about. Your confidence level that we can see right now. What are they? Because see, initially you said that you used to sell your cakes in half rate. But right now you are such a confident baker. Right now, can you command those prices? You can say that this is the price and they are ready to pay any price.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Wow.
ma'am.
Wow.
They don't bargain with me.
Amazing. No negotiations at all.
Really, no.
Wow.
With the return customers only, I will give the concession.
Huh.
They don't how much the cake will be 1 kg. Okay, this much price. Okay, ma'am. I'll send the half money now and deliver it 1/2.
Lovely, lovely. Very nice. Now, what about your family and friends, right? Whoever is there in your family, apart from your husband and your kids, what are other family members or your friends are talking about you now that you are a businesswoman, right? Initially, did they support you or did they not support you? Or what are they talking about you in general?
First of all, my mother, ma'am. She gave me. I don't have money to join in your group. Also, penny also. If I talk with that now, I will cry live only. I don't have money also. I asked my mother and my sister. Before sister giving, my mother and my husband gave half to join in this group.
Oh.
Next, some relatives, I don't want to mention her name. Before that, I gave her cake, 1 cake. She don't know that they recorded, her husband, they recorded the video. I listened the words. Oh, what is this? This is the cake. Before joining your session, I cried a whole day, ma'am. I have to show my.
You have to prove yourself.
Yeah, I have to prove myself to. Yeah, she can do more cakes. Now, after joining your course, she ordered 2 cakes. She ordered 2 cakes, and only at 1 day only. I gave her, and they only praised me. Wow, your cakes are amazing. They taste so good. Both are different flavors. Wow, each one is. She did not got 1 piece to eat that.
Oh, it
I'm
got
so
missed.
happy. Yeah, I am so happy. I am so happy, and I'm so blessed, ma'am.
Lovely, lovely. You have proved yourself. Super amazing. Super amazing.
Friends,
So,
everybody will support me, ma'am. Who are not in our place, I can't sell them, no,
Correct.
ma'am.
correct.
I have to go 1.5 hours. So they will ask their relatives or their friends. They suggest me here who are local.
Okay.
They will support me like that, ma'am.
Nice. So you are surrounded a lot by supportive people, That is why your bakery is like flourishing very well. But even if non-supportive element comes in our life, you know how to handle them as well. You just have to work on yourself and your cakes, and those people, they will also join the supportive gang. Yes or yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Nice. So Leela, one more thing I wanted to ask you. What do you think about the entire structure of the program? Right. So see, you have got some recorded courses. You have also got live sessions as well, and the community. So how the live sessions have helped you in your baking journey?
Yeah, your program, ma'am, DBA, that was awesome, ma'am. No words to say, no words to express. No one can build like this also. Even I want to open like that. I don't know idea also, ma'am. That was super amazing. The structure, every group members will can connect each other. And sessions every week you will come, ma'am. How much energy you will get, ma'am. Yeah, each and every step. We had the videos also, recipes, means sponges, whipping cream, everything, ma'am.
But what
It
is
was
that
so
one thing that you like in the live session?
live session question it. I like a lot, ma'am. I will attend for that for every week. Even 11:30. It will go on 11:30 also, no, ma'am. My kids will also listen with me by sleeping beside me, by sitting beside me. They will also what she's telling, ma'am. Amma, please tell. My big son will elder son will listen everything, ma'am. He know English well, no?
Ah.
So he will ask me, why did she tell like that? Oh wow! While doing your whipping cream cakes, no, ma'am. Ma'am, Amma, see your ma'am and learn it. How fast she is doing. I am little. I had shaky hands, ma'am. Little bit. See, listen, see how nicely she is doing. You will tell me.
So along with you, your entire family is into this business.
Yes, ma'am.
Taking the session.
We four will join your class.
Nice, very nice. But you know what? Even kids, they are doing really well. I had conducted one session for small kids, so I had kept 8 to 13 years old. Okay, for the session was for 8 to 13 years old. So people who are like 5 years old, 6 years old, even they had joined it. Okay, and I showed them some recipe, and then I told them that I want to see you baking a cake. And the kids at 6 years age, 5 years age, they are so confident, you know. She's starting her camera, and then she's saying, okay, Dipti ma'am, now see, I'm mixing this, I'm doing this, now I'm doing that, and that is my cake ready. Like, kids are very, very confident, and they know, they really know a lot of things better than us. So amazing. Even if your kids, like in foreign countries, no, people start their baking at very small age, 3 years age, 5 years, 4 years. That is the reason by the time they enter their teens, like 13, 14 years of age, they start selling their cakes as well. Small bakers they will be holding. So, you know, I'm happy to see that culture in your house. Very nice.
Even you will also make us. You will also teach us, ma'am, like spoon feeding. You will tell everything. You don't have angry. Also, I did not saw in any session, ma'am. Everybody will ask that repeated questions, ma'am. You will answer everything, ma'am. You're great. You're very great, ma'am.
Nice. Thank you so much. So, you have said a lot about me as well. But Leela, let me tell you, just getting the knowledge, just getting the recipe, it is just the half of the job done when it comes to opening a home bakery. But there are so many things that you have taken and you have implemented. So you actually have a lion's share in your home bakery business success. So again, thank you so much and heartiest congratulations to you. Like I said, me and my team, we were really hoping for you to get into this Hall of Fame interview and do that interview very, very soon with you. Okay, so all of you all who are watching this interview and want to know more about Leela and her home bakery, I'm sharing the link to her social media pages in the description box of this particular video. Do check it out because you will surely fall in love with her work. Each and every cake is a masterpiece. So please do order from her, right? You can DM her on her Instagram page and you can get in touch with her for any kind of flavor or any kind of decoration that you want from her home bakery. And if you are someone who is having that intention of joining the Super Baker program, I'm sharing the link in the description box for you to get started. Alright, so we have a community of existing and aspiring bakers who are getting transformed every single day in their baking journey. And if you know someone from your family or from your friend circle who is so much interested in baking or passionate about baking and they want to take a next step by launching their home bakery business, please do share this link with all of them. Okay, so Leela, thank you so much for choosing to be part of this Super Baker program and sharing your amazing experience, your amazing journey with all of us. All the best and wish you more and more success. Alright guys, if you have really liked Leela's journey, do like this video, share it with your family and friends, subscribe to my channel so that you get to know more such success stories that we will be sharing in our upcoming videos. Thank you so much.
Thank you.